This week on Life on Jupiter.
I'll get the anchor.
We almost pulled the power cord on Paradise Island. And finally, Princess's US visa interview. Today is a big day.
I'm so nervous.
Alright, let's do this thing. So we're decided to move anchor here in Nassau, just because it's very busy here. Lots of boats going past. And, we've worked out we can anchor a bit closer to the American embassy, so it's just down there past those jetties. So gonna get going. It's only half a mile away. I'll get the anchor.
What?
Well, there's something down there.
Stopped already? Oh wait.
We're under something there. I don't know if it's a wreck. It's something long and straight. It could be a yacht mast, or it could be... Lucky the water's so clear. But... Can't see it. Here. Ah, there it goes. It sort of stops about there. It could still be a yacht mast.
Really?
Or it could be a cable to feed the island. It could be, you know, bloody power cable. Anyway, I'm gonna have to go down there. And we should go as soon as possible. There's no current right now. It's really rare, so we should get going. Alright, so I'm going to need to drop out another anchor. We'll get the bow anchor off, pull that up tight, then ease slack on this anchor, and then I'll get in the water and go do it. Alright.
How deep is it?
Oh, it's only 5 meters, 6 meters maybe, but I'll take the scuba gear so I can work. Get the other end. I'll try to do it now. See if I can be able to do it. Now, could you just go and
Pull it?
yeah, pull up the slack. Able to shift that out of the way. Here. Just drag it across.
So Jamie will dive and bring the diving gear.
The dinghy in to get the anchor out.
Yeah.
secondary anchor out, so once I release this anchor, we're still anchored. And now, put slack on this primary one so that I got room to move. Got to get in the water before the current comes up. There's usually 2 knots of current in here. We timed it perfectly.
Lucky it didn't happen, or you did go diving. So he's using my mask.
Cables. Obviously, I was pretty apprehensive about approaching these cables. It's even possible that I damaged them when I was pulling on them with the anchor winch. I was consciously alert to feeling any small tingling as I approached the area. If there was no small tingles, well, I just hoped that there wouldn't be any large tingles. Pull it up. Now there's a chance the other one is on it too, but we'll try. Well, I got it out pretty easy, which is a good thing, but there was no way it was going to come out otherwise. It was really wedged under there. Oh.
It's leaking.
Now, seeing that the cables are running that way, there's a chance our new anchor is caught on it too.
Yeah.
Let's try that out. Start the engines, be. Take up the slack on the anchor.
Oh my god.
We're
Good
good.
job, B. Good job. You have have a chicken. Where did you get that? Hmm? So he's eating our chicken. Last night we got a chicken from the restaurant. And the offspring, the big bird, is trying to fight with him. And obviously he wins. They are very, very loud and they're noisy every day until night. It's annoying. Are you gonna live here now? He doesn't want to fly anymore. You're not afraid? Oh, he's gone.
Today is a big day. We've made it here to Nassau. I always say that wrong. Nassau, Bahamas, and to visit the US Embassy for Princess's interview to try and get a visa. Just wanted a tourist visa, but they did stop issuing them for like a year because of COVID. So
This is the time.
this is our chance today. So in about 2 hours time, if they give her passport back to her, then we will be sad.
Yeah.
And if they take the passport from her, we will be happy.
Yeah. I'm so nervous. I've never been nervous like for a long time.
But it doesn't matter. If we can't go, we can't go. I have to go to fix up this banking issue that we have. I got to go to the nearest branch, which is Miami. It's the worst case, I'll fly over for a day or two.
And I'll stay here.
Yeah. You can be captain of Jupiter.
I'll go back to the pig beach.
No, that's a long way from here. Wants to play with her piggy friends. Anyway,
Wish me luck.
we can see the embassy from here, so it's only a short walk. We'll take the dinghy across to the beach, try and brush all the sand off our feet, and then see how long it takes. Hopefully not long. I went past yesterday and saw there was no queue, so I guess because of COVID, they're keeping the queues to a minimum, so that's a good thing.
I hope I can understand their English, because my English is not great. And maybe they talk too fast.
Just say, I'm sorry, my English is bad. Can you say that again? Just that's what you say.
Okay.
Anyway, wish us luck. Shall we go?
Yeah. I'm scared.
Okay, put that in. We're wearing our uniform so we look official. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's do this thing. Wheels up. She still hasn't told me.
This is someone there.
I don't care.
What?
Well, you got your passport? No, you don't have your passport.
Hey,
Good job. Wow.
That's good.
They say how long?
5 days, 3 to 5 days. They was
Wow.
They didn't ask me.
We're
much.
gonna learn. What they ask you?
They asked me what's my purpose and what's my job, and he saw a lot of my passport that were sailing around the world, and he's so impressed.
Oh, really?
He's like, wow. He said that.
So friendly.
Yeah, he's friendly. Super nice. I'm so nervous in the beginning.
Yeah.
They get 2 of my IDs, the picture.
Okay.
It's
Maybe he's going to replace the application photo.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh, I thought I'm not gonna pass.
Oh my god. Well, that's good. I'm glad.
We're going to South Africa.
We're going to where?
America.
Oh, I thought you said South Africa.
Let's go.
I was so proud of my girl. And what better way to celebrate than take her to a Philippine restaurant?
This is the way to Manila Grill.
Manila Grill.